Good morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. I have a awesome video for you guys today. The videos today I've been really excited about because I'm going to allow you guys to get into trades with us, and we are at the start of brand new trades. This doesn't happen too much, but we have Bitcoin as a brand new trade. We have Matic as a brand new trade last night, and a few others here. So if you guys have been watching this channel and you're like, man, I love the trades that you've been doing over here, guys, we are 44 for 44 wins. On this channel. Let me show you guys the last 44th win. I think it was up here. Yeah, it was on actually Matic. And we do have another trade call for Matic that just came out last night. I ended up updating the whole group about this in the Telegram channel. So I told you guys Bitcoin and Matic have brand new trades and Dogecoin is about to hit. I did also call it a forecast saying the trend exhaustion, the price for swell money flows at the bottom. So we are looking for a move back up. Guys, that is exactly what we got down here. So let's go over the trend exhaustion, price for swell money flow, and let's get you guys into some trades so you can start making some money in these videos today, okay? I'm jacked about this video. I've been thinking about it all night. Okay, the trend exhaustion, guys. Real quick, guys. This indicator is going up in price. You have one more day. The sale ends at the end of this month. It's the 29th and tomorrow's the 30th. I'm upping the price November 1st at 12 p.m. So basically, my lunchtime, I'm going to get up, I'm going to do YouTube videos, and I'm going to up the price after I do a few emails. That's pretty much it. So you guys have one more day if you want to get the trend exhaustion, and then I'm going to be upping the price. So make sure you guys watch that. I am going to be upping the price to the price versus money flow next month, as well as some of these other indicators. It's in the description. Here's the fastest way to access them. Make this very fast because I want to get into today's video. Click on indicators over at tradeconfident.io. Here's the bundle pack. This is going to save you guys the most money. I'm not going to be upping the price of this month. It's going to stay the same while these other indicators increase in price. So you will actually get appreciating value if you guys just get the bundle pack. You get all of these plus like 4 other indicators. There's 9 total. Incredible indicators, guys. I coded indicators for a living for TradingView 2 years ago, and I promise you these are some of the absolute best ones you'll ever use. All right, guys, let's get into the fun stuff today. So look at the trend exhaustion. Let me prove to you guys the value of that right now. So when we saw this move to the bottom red zone, people were asking me like, Travis, how low is this going to go? And I'm like, guys, it could go a little bit lower, but we need to look at history. 75 to 80% of the time when you have the trend exhaustion hit the bottom here into the bottom red section, and you have the well money flow hit the bottom, we're going to bounce back up. And that's exactly what we did. But here's the even better part, guys. The buy limits got hit yesterday for Bitcoin, and it got hit for Matic. Let me show this to you guys. Actually, I called it out in the channel if you guys didn't see this. But we got hit on both of these. You're up 5.4% on Matic. On Bitcoin right now, you guys are currently up 2.10%. Now, here's what I want you guys to do if you want to follow along with me. I want you guys to watch this very carefully. For Bitcoin, or all of our coins, do this. Go over to tradeconfident.io. You guys do need a membership for this. It's $49 a month. If you don't believe it's worth it, just look at these guys making $1,000 last week, $5,000 last week, $1,200 in the first 24 hours, $1,000, so on and so forth, $7,000. It is ridiculous how cheap this is. I am going to be looking to up the price of this. Full disclosures to you guys, okay? I will grandfather everyone in. If you guys don't understand what that means, it means if you have a membership for $49 and you keep it while the prices go up, your membership does not go up. It just stays at $49. So you'll always get a greater value if you just keep this, okay? Watch this. For Bitcoin, guys, you can literally set up your buy limits right now and get in here. What you can do is you can set this up. I know today, okay, listen carefully, guys. A lot of the live prices are going to be very close to the first yellow line, if not maybe right below it or above it. What I'm doing is I'm going to leave them for today only so you guys can get in. I want to make this very clear. These are very good trade setups to get into, and I want you guys to take advantage of this. So I'm going to be leaving this one more day, and tomorrow I'm going to be updating a ton of buy limits. So I'm giving you guys a chance today to start trading with me, and so you guys can follow me on this channel so you guys can start making money and you can get the full analysis. Put your buy limits in right now. So if you have $1,000, you're going to split it into 25% increments. You're going to have 25% here at the first yellow line, 25% at the second yellow line, so on and so forth. 250, 250, 250, 250. Once this first buy limit is hit, which is most likely going to be today if we start moving back down a little bit, we do want to put our sell limit in here at 52,836. Now, this is just Bitcoin, guys. I want you guys to come over here with whatever trade you want to set up. Ethereum is basically, you guys can get into Ethereum right now. Again, I'm not going to update the buy limits today because I want you guys to get in here and start trading with us because these are very good entries. Ethereum is a great entry. Dogecoin is an incredible entry right now you guys could take today. Cardano is back to the entry that I called a couple days ago. Get in here and take some trades, guys. I'm serious. Like, I'm not trying to be cocky here, but like I'm confident that we're going to start winning some trades here. We're 44 for 44, and I think Bitcoin and Matic are probably going to be our 45th and our 46th winning trade, okay? Watch the trend exhaustion here. Here's why you guys need it. once you guys are in these trades, once the trend exhaustion is pushed up into the top red section here, you need to be looking to take 25 to 50% out of the market. Well, why is that? Is because historically when we hit up into this top red sections here, we are seeing drops in the market. This indicator is insane at calling tops before we see moves back down. If you ever see the trend exhaustion get to the top here and it overextends itself while this is heading down, this is a huge sign that you have money and the trend reversing the price action. Let me explain that differently. If you guys watch the well money flow here, this is why you need to partner these together. Like literally guys, watch the flow of money. Let me take this off. Come over here to the settings, take off price, and just watch the flow of money, larger transactions on the blockchain. When you guys have price action creating a high and a higher high, and you clearly see that money is flowing straight out of the market while this is moving up, guys, this is a precursor. You are going to drop like a rock in the price. This is exactly how we called this drop, okay? How do we call this drop over here? And we do have video proof of this. We saw this push into the top red section. We saw as well as the well money flow pushing to these higher sections up here. I said, nobody get into trades. We are all going to be patient and we are going to wait and we are not going to FOMO in. We got picked up at 88 at $2.02. And I've said that like almost on every video. I'm saying this to tell you guys you really need this indicator on your chart. You have one more day. You have one more day and then I'm going to be upping the price of this. The description has everything you guys need. Why do I say this over and over again? It's because I want you guys to be getting into these trades because we're doing very well and I need you to be watching for this exit over here. I'll try to call some exits over in the Telegram channel. But guys, I sleep. I have a brand new baby. I'm taking care of him. I go grocery shopping. Like, I run errands. I'm not going to be able to do it all the time. So you need to be watching this exit up here. It's 25% to 50%. I will try to update you guys more on this, but watch this. If the well money flow starts pushing back up here to the top side and we get up here to the top sections of the trend exhaustion and the price money flow together, this is a huge sign you guys need to be watching for a drop back down. Okay, since we are so low, we could be seeing something like this where we get to the descending resistance, start moving back down, and we could actually push down even further. If that happens, I'm going to be calling an exit here when we get up into the top red section, and we're going to move our stop losses to break even. So we are guaranteeing ourselves a profit and we are moving our stop losses so we do not lose this trade. This is such simple, ridiculous trading. The reason why we're so profitable is because we use buy limits. We're using indicators that are literally the best in the market for crypto. And I'm like confident of saying that now. I've waited for like over just like 500 hours of video recording of this. And I'm like, okay, I'm pretty convinced that these are the best. And having a history of coding indicators for TradingView, there's a reason why I only use these three. So here's my thing, guys. Get into these long trades over here today at tradeconfident.io. Set up your 4 buy limits. Get the trend exhaustion price versus well money flow. Follow me on this channel. As well as once you guys get over here and you get your membership, go to the bottom and it will unlock this Telegram page and it has the live link in there that will automatically get you guys into this Telegram group so you can watch my calls. Okay, this is super fun, guys. All right, let's go over the metrics here. So these are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is literally it's about an hour and a half. So let's fly through here and let's take a look at what the metrics are showing. We are in the anxious section for Bitcoin. I love this, guys. If you're going to be taking long trades, you've got to be in the anxious and the fearful section. Why? Because all the retail traders are fearful and they're selling into this market. You know, I've had people tell me that like, Travis, I'm selling into this market. I'm like, what? Like, you don't need to, okay, I'm sorry. I get on like a little basket case here. Here, let me just prove it to you guys. I understand that there's emotions and let me just calm them for you. Okay, guys? People who are selling here, you guys are emotionally trading. That's why I literally coded this metric first. So when you guys come in here, it's going to be like, here's what the majority of the market is doing. This is not derogatory by any means, but this is what's called dumb money. You want to know what smart money is doing? Go down to the smart money metric. Well, an institution, like what are the big boys doing? They are accumulating Bitcoin right now. They are not selling in their positions. Okay, watch this, guys. Over the next 2-3 weeks, I have a feeling that we could start seeing Bitcoin starting to retrace back up here. And everyone who sold are going to be kicking themselves because they're not staying on the smart side of Wells, institutions, and smart money. Like, guys, I literally code this after working with Wells, who have like between $100,000 and $1 million is the average coaching client I have. And I've worked with hedge funds who have millions and millions of dollars. Like, we coded this around how they actually trade. And I also got bank trading. Like, literally, this is going to be kind of funny, but I went over to Chase. You guys know Chase Bank. They're huge in the United States, if you guys know. I went over there and I told them about our indicators. They're like, man, like we need to start using these for our clients. Like Chase, the big bank, Morgan Stanley. Like It's pretty insane, like the people who are behind these, and we're not starting to move the price of Bitcoin, but I think as more people adopt this, they're like, oh my gosh, this makes so much sense. When anxiety is in the market, you guys are going to have wells and institutions buy this. Okay, I'll go over that in a second, but I want you guys to watch this real quick. Bitcoin, okay. As Bitcoin price structure starts heading down and you see the long trades increase, what usually happens is we start seeing pumps in the market. I still believe this is going to happen, okay? Excuse me. What I want you guys to watch for here is this. This is kind of interesting in what's happened in the last few days. We have seen long trades move out of the market. Now, the reason why I'm not really nervous about this too much, and why I still need you guys to get in those long trades, this isn't financial advice, but like everything's transparent. We're doing pretty well here, guys. I would be more nervous of a further move down in Bitcoin, like a bigger move down, like structure low here on this descending support line, if we had short trades increasing. That's not happening whatsoever, guys. Short trades are staying the same. If we saw something like this and long trades moved out, this would make me quite nervous because it's like, wow, how low are we going to go? No, that's not even close to the case here. Like, we're literally staying flat here, maybe a little bit of an argument of saying the last couple of days we've seen a little bit of an increase. Long trades, however, were actually increasing yesterday, which I believe was the smart money coming in and actually buying the dip here, which is what we've been calling out. And a lot of people on our Telegram channel have a ton of money. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. And we all ended up buying down here, okay? So follow me down here. What I want you guys to be watching for is this: long versus short trade risk. Should you be taking a short trade? My personal opinion is absolutely not. I know there's a ton of channels out there calling that you're going to see some huge drops in Bitcoin. And I did cover in the last few days both sides of the coin. Hint, hint. What could it look like if we start heading down or if we start moving up before Christmas? But I will tell you guys, I still believe we have some type of a bullish momentum, bullish market to be had before the end of the year. All right, let's come down here of what I was talking to you guys about before. When you guys start seeing, let's compare this. I'll show this to you guys real quick. See this move right here, this move up in Bitcoin? This is when people were very excited, okay? This is the metric bar in blue. The price action is in white. People are excited. If you move straight down, you guys can see where that is. That's over here, okay? That high right here is this high over here. Right here, sorry guys, right here and right here. What's happening? People are getting so excited in the market. They're telling all of their friends that they're making money. We're pushing up. We just broke resistance. We're flying up here. How high are we going to go? They literally tell everyone. And what do you guys do? What do some of you guys do? I'm not trying to be rude about this. You guys get excited because your friends are talking about it. And it's true because they are literally making money because Bitcoin's going up. But I'm telling you guys, behind the charts, behind the scenes, you are not trading correctly. You need to be taking profit, and you need to be switching your trades, and you need to be looking to either take short trades on your exchange or you need to be looking to sell, because it perfectly was showing you what smart money was doing. Okay, these guys have a ton of money. This is going to be calling the drops in the market. Now, as price structure moved down, a lot of people got scared and they sold down here, right down at the bottom section. Well, what were wells and institutions doing? They were accumulating their trades here, guys. They were accumulating, and then they pushed the market back up. What happened when it moved back up? Immediately, they started switching positions to short trades, and they made all their money straight back down, guys. All of their money they made straight back down. Like, there you guys go. And it's clear right now, and why I've been bullish on this channel, is that what's happening here is we see the accumulation continually of long trades in the market. Okay, as this moves down, we are seeing this. That's why I am calling long trades, and I've been so adamant about you guys getting into trades. Guys, we're probably going to win our 45th and 46th trade in here on Bitcoin and Matic. So get in here and set those buy limits up, okay? So support resistance prices. How high could we go? Bitcoin, I'm definitely looking for a stall at 45,000 and then a stall at 50,000. Why 50,000? It's simple. It's the psychological level. So $50,000 puts us right up here. I know it puts us up here. This is the structure I'm really looking at, and then these structures right here. So again, the best call I can make for you guys right here is make sure you get the trend exhaustion. Again, it's the only time, it's probably the only time this indicator will ever be below $100, okay? It's obviously going above $100 in the next day here because I am going to be up in the price. But watch this to get to the upper section here. Watch the well money flow, and you guys will see something happen here. Also, if you guys take this in here, I'll explain it on a different video. Keep that there for now. I don't want to confuse things. Basically, I want you guys to be watching for this as well when this happens, when you have a low and a higher low formation and you have a low and a lower low on the chart. Price action moved down. Money was actually flowing into the market here, and we were calling this move as well, but we're going to see a move back up, guys. I know it sounds crazy and ridiculous, but the price is almost stopping and It's almost like the price is only doing what the trend exhaustion says it does. It's called the trend exhaustion for a reason. I was like, if we can determine when a trend is exhausted, we can actually call the pivot points in Bitcoin before they happen. And that's exactly what we've been able to do over here. And it's insane how accurate this has been. Okay, let me finish up here now. We'll get over to finishing this video. Okay, dollar cost average entries for those of you guys who want to hold. Basically, if you guys get a green line, you have a $10,000, throw $1,000 into each green line and just hold for 5 to 10 years. That's literally all you're doing. This is like very simple. That's all you guys do. Waiting for some more signals here. I want to draw your attention here though. Exit points. A lot of you guys got into the Bitcoin trade yesterday because our first buy limit got hit, and this has been the same buy limit for like 3 days. I know I have not updated a lot of buy limits, guys. It's because I'm being patient. So when you guys come over here and you are literally on the front page and I get this question of, Travis, the buy limits have not updated. They have not updated because I'm being patient and I want you guys to get into this trade. If they do not update, it's because I'm waiting for the first buy limit to get hit. We just ended up hitting this buy limit yesterday. So if you guys don't see these lines update, like guys, I check these literally every single morning. This is the most meticulous chart I look at out of everything. Trust me, if I don't update these, there is a very good reason why I do not update them. It's because we were patient, and it's for these reasons today where you guys all got into the trade and I didn't up them because I wanted you guys to get in on a discount, okay? That's why I'm doing that. So let's finish up over here. Once you're in that long trade, we need to be watching this metric, which is called exit points. This exit point is going to be helping us determine where the tops are before we head back down. So with the trend exhaustion and this indicator, when this prints red bars again, I am looking for a 25 to 50% exit in the Bitcoin trade, as well as some other trades, which I will be covering on the Telegram channel, as well as on the YouTube channel here, okay? As far as Golden Cross, we are still active, but we are actually seeing the 50 moving average move back down a little bit. So we may actually go back into a death cross in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Guys, I had this on here because CNN and Fox and all those guys cover it. I don't pay attention to this, guys. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have it on here because I know some of you like it. Here's the thing. The theory is that when the 50 moving average crosses below the 200 moving average, you're supposed to see a bear market cycle. Well, guess what happened? It didn't even go down. It actually had 75% of the time it moved up in the bear market cycle in the death cross, okay? So that didn't even hold true whatsoever. I have it on here so you guys can watch it. These metrics up here are coded ridiculously well, and this is what you want to watch. I just have that on there because some people were requesting it, and I wanted to honor you guys. I had people like, hey, what about the golden cross? I'm like, hey, I can do that for you. So this is what you guys want to watch. The emotional index, the long for short trades on metric data. This is real on-chain metric data right here, as well as the well-institutional smart money predicting these moves. So here's what you guys need to do today. Come over, get your membership. Obviously, that's something you need to get access to this. Click on Bitcoin, set up all of your 4 buy limits. Set up Ethereum today, guys. Set up Dogecoin today. Set up Cardano or any other trades here, and follow me over on the Telegram channel. It's at the bottom. Literally click this once you have your membership. It's hidden right now. Once you click it, you'll get the live link and join me over there. Make sure you guys are getting the trend exhaustion at least. I understand some of you guys are like, hey, I don't want the bundle pack. I suggest you guys get it, honestly, because this is not going to be going up in price, and I'm upping the price of all of these. If at minimum, you guys need the trend exhaustion and you guys need the price for swell money flow and the trend dashboard to copy my charts every morning so you guys can follow along with what I'm seeing over here. There's a lot of people in the market right now for retail traders that are looking to possibly go long but then short. It's kind of a mixed bag this morning. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Majority of retail traders are going to trade with the trend. The trend is telling them that the 50 and the 100 and the MAs are above the current price. Price action is below these moving averages, okay? This is bearishness. A lot of selling pressure could get back in the market, but they're not seeing what we're seeing here, in my personal opinion, of we're at the bottom red section here, and money flows at the bottom, where I do think we could see a little bit of a turnaround. If this does head back down and it triggers all of you guys into the buy limits, that's even more exciting because you guys can all get in with us. So here's your chance. Join us on this trade. Join me on this channel. Subscribe to the bell notifications. Get everything you need, the indicators. Get your subscription. Join Telegram. Let's do this, guys. We're going for our 45th win, possibly by Friday, maybe even the 46th win if we can get Matic, and I will be going over that video today. So, guys, it's so exciting. God bless you so much. Join the trading family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everything you need is in the description. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.